Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Microsoft Ads. Known as the second largest and most popular search engine, Microsoft Ads, Bing Ads, click fraud may only account for 6.7% of the global search market, but when you crunch the numbers, you get a whopping 1 billion unique global visitors each month. Bing Ads and click fraud. Bing enables advertisers to block illegal and fraudulent clicks by blocking IP addresses. But unlike Google, where this process can be automated, on Bing, it has to be done manually. In Bing, if a bot clicks an ad multiple times, it will count as multiple clicks. When it comes to clicking fraud detection on Google, since you are able to dynamically and automatically block IP in campaigns when you might be under a click fraud attack. Having to block click fraud manually has been a major complaint among Bing Ads users, since manual click fraud and IP blocking takes a long time and is quite tedious. Not to mention it isn't always effective. We're hoping Microsoft succumbs to the pressure and enables click fraud detection software like Clixtell's to perform automated blocks. How you can protect your business. Clixtell is a click fraud monitoring software able to detect any type of fraudulent activity when it comes to your Bing ads. We can help you file a Bing and Google fraud reporting file thanks to our data that helps you identify low-quality click activity and slash or suspect click fraud that Microsoft advertising has not detected. Many advertisers aren't even aware of the fact that they can get their money back from Bing when they prove their ads suffered from click fraud activity. All you have to do is file a refund report for the chance to get fully reimbursed. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.